Alright, in today's video I will be showing you how to install VirtualBox on your Windows computer. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and type in the search bar, VirtualBox, download, Windows. Click the second one that shows up. Now look for Windows hosts. Click on it. Now VirtualBox will start downloading. After it finishes, open the exe file that you just downloaded. Now that the installation loaded, click Next on both. Beware, this will turn off your internet. Click Yes. Then, click Install. After it is finished, check the box to start VirtualBox. Then, click Finish. There it is. Now you have installed VirtualBox. Please like and subscribe to never miss on my latest videos. Have a great day.